welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. If you guys are interested in seeing this DIY, just keep on watching. Guys, I'm going to go in with these silver picks from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, I'm going to be going in with these gems that I had left over from another project, and I believe I picked these up from Joann's a while back. I will also be using these jot stickers from the Dollar Tree. So yeah guys, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue this down, and what you want to do now is just go ahead and place your picture inside of this frame. Okay guys, so this frame has a kickstand in the back of it, so what I'm going to do is remove this and put this aside. I will be hot gluing my glass down. Guys, I will be taking 4 of these mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using one of these candle holders as well from Dollar Tree. Now I will be taking this brooch from Walmart. Is all that I have today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.